Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Komisi Bentaban penklan susu ya ke jingtrekam jonga parti ha ke jela Barokaway ke Central Executive Committee jonga United Democratic Party ke Balasyong ya ke jingalang ha ke khandai terik unailar arjar khat khandai hanong ba Shillong kala shime karai ban pha ya kinong yalam bahakli do jonga parti Sherilom Garo ban penklan biang ya ke parti Senior Working President ke UDP uba Bindo M Lanong ha ke jing kren bat kilat pathai khubor ulai thu ba ke UDP kan sepelong ya ke jing yalang hanong ba William Nagar ha ke khat nyu tarik mentau nailar rengkat bat kinong yalam jong parti na Rilom Garo khnang ban penklan biang ya ke parti ha ke ni ka thain.
We shall visit governments very soon. The leaders will visit governments very soon to meet the leaders of different shades of Garian sector, and the place we have decided will be in William Nagar, and most probably, tentatively on the 17th of August, we will be visiting William Nagar for that matter.